Chapter 6, Part 12. Husamuddin had a gardener whose name was Sheikh Mohammed. About 4 years after Jalal's death, Husam had a reason to reprimand the gardener. He took offense at this and went away to another garden, resolved never to return to Husam's service. As he sat reflecting, he fell asleep. In his dreams, he saw Jalal coming towards him with an executioner by his side who held up an axe. Jalal ordered the executioner to cut off Muhammad's head as the punishment for having offended Hussein. This was done, and Muhammad saw his own head fall off and its own blood flow. He knew that he was dead. After a while, he saw Jalal return, pick up Muhammad's decapitated head, place it in proper junction with the neck of the corpse, and utter the exclamation, "In the name of God, with God, from God, and to God." Muhammad saw himself instantly alive again and fell very penitent, threw himself at Jalal's feet and cried out piteously. He now awoke and arose. Okay, so it was a dream, yeah. So no one was in sight. All traces of blood had vanished. No sign of a wound was discernible on his neck. In all speed, he returned to Husam's garden and resumed his work with alacrity. And Islam, of course, doesn't have such punishments for mere offense or anything like that. It doesn't allow that, but, this was something that happened to him psychically, But now he saw Hussein approaching, who said to him, "Well, Sheikh Mohammed, until Jalaluddin chastised thee, thou wert no Muslim, and wert given over to stiff-neckedness. Had not I interceded for thee, thou hadst been dead to all eternity, shut out from every hope of heaven." Muhammad protested his sincere repentance, became a dervish, and professed himself a disciple. Now, we don't have to get into misassociation to understand the Om Namah Shivaya, Shivaya Nama Om. The very experience of it, like this heady, floaty feeling, like your head's independent, that can happen with that chant. I've experienced that, so that's something one's supposed to let go of the. And in the tarot cards, where the queen of whatever, they're all sort of false ego. You deal with the false ego sort of cards.